Today, I'm so excited. We're making Paul Hollywood's Sticky Ginger Loaf. This gorgeous sticky ginger loaf includes crystallized ginger as well as ground ginger, which lends sweetness, and it's topped with a lemon-flavored glaze icing and tiny bits of crystallized ginger. I know you're going to love this one. It's really special. And it's lovely for afternoon tea, or in my case, afternoon coffee, or morning coffee, but you can enjoy it at any time of day, just as it is, or spread with a little butter. Are you ready? Okay then, let's get this party started. So the first thing Paul Hollywood wants us to do here is, in a large bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder, ground spices together, and make a well in the middle. 1 2/3 cups or 200 grams of all-purpose flour. 2 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2, and 3/4. That looks like 3/4. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Ginger, cinnamon, and ground cloves smell so good already. This is going to be amazing. I hope you get a chance to try this one. In a small saucepan over medium heat, heat the butter, golden syrup, molasses, and brown sugar together until the butter is melted. I searched high and low for golden syrup, and the 3 grocery stores I went to didn't have it. But I checked online and they said that maple syrup would be an okay substitute. That and a few other things, honey perhaps. I think I'm going to go with maple syrup. So here we go. We've got 7 tablespoons or 100 grams of unsalted butter in our medium saucepan under medium heat. We're going to do 7 tablespoons of Lyle's golden syrup, or in this case, 7 tablespoons of beautiful organic maple syrup. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 tablespoons or 125 grams of molasses. And here goes that beautiful black molasses. I always wonder when I measure out 125 grams of molasses, how much is going to be left stuck in my measuring bowl. We have a 1/2 cup or 100 grams of dark brown sugar. Let's try not to splash the hot melted butter. Pour into the flour mixture and stir until evenly combined. It's amazing all of the different things that we can make and bake. It's basically fairly simple ingredients that, I don't know about you, but I often have just about everything here around the house. There we go. I think that looks pretty evenly combined. For the moment, we're going to swap out the bowl. In another bowl, beat the egg with the milk. Then gradually stir this into the mixture until it's all incorporated. So, egg in the milk. I got an egg around here somewhere. There it is. Jacques Pepin says you don't break the egg on the edge of the bowl, you break it on a flat surface, and that way you pretty much are ensured not to get the shell into the bowl. Let's see if Jacques is what he's got. There we go. 1 egg. Oh, this one's going to take some editing. Two-thirds cups of whole milk. One-third. Two-thirds. We beat the egg with the milk. It says gradually stir this into the mixture, so I just dumped it in, didn't I? I guess sometimes that's how I roll. Hopefully everything is going to be all right. Everything's going to be all right. Everything's going to be all right. We have a ½ cup or 90 grams of finely chopped crystallized ginger. Pour the mixture into the prepared loaf pan, which is a 2-pound, 1 kilogram loaf pan with parchment paper on the bottom. Pour the mixture into the prepared loaf pan and bake for 40 to 45 minutes until it's risen and golden. To check the cake is cooked, insert a skewer into the center. It should come out clean. 1 cake pan. Okay, my friends, this is the moment of truth. It's time to come out of the oven and see what we got. Sticky ginger loaf. I think it's going to be a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me show you the results. There she is. What a beautiful loaf. I'm going to leave her sit here on the rack in the pan for 10 minutes and then we'll see how she comes out of the pan. And once it cools completely, we'll make the glaze and we'll sprinkle a bit of ginger over the top. All right, my friends, at this point, we should have cooled enough to take it out of the pan. So what I like to do is place another rack on top and see if we can turn it out onto this rack. And then we'll put it back onto the other one. Oh yeah, it just drops right out. So beautiful. And there it is, bottoms up. Oh, Oh, it's amazing. Just absolutely delicious. It's sparkly. It's moist. It's so full of spice. We're going to turn it back right side up. This is what Joe Biden's going to do when he retires. He's going to bake cakes, just like I do. So there you have it. One sticky ginger loaf. It's a real beauty. Now we need to let it cool for a while, and then we're going to make a glaze with some lemon, powdered sugar, and we'll sprinkle a bit of crystallized ginger over the top. All right, folks, stay tuned. There's more yet to come. All right, folks, we're down to the final process. It's time to make some glaze. Get this sticky ginger loaf stickier than it already is. So what we have here is 3/4 of a cup, or 75 grams of confectioner sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So we'll kick it off with the lemon juice. It's 1, 2, and a little extra for good measure. This really comes together very quickly. That looks perfect to me. I'm going to put this on a sheet pan with parchment paper, just because I don't want to make a great big huge mess. All this delicious sweetness. And we'll finish it with just a few sprinkles of this beautiful crystallized ginger. And there you have it, folks. You know what? Now it's your turn. You absolutely could make this cake, and I'd love to see the results that you come up with. So please, click the like, subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments below. I'd love to see any images of how it came out for you, okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.